Welcome to Poul's Kitchen. This is Chef Poul. With me today is the ever fragrant Chef Amy.
Hi.
And apparently I'm going to have to open some cans. But that's alright. I don't mind doing them. So today we're going to do a vegetarian dish. One that's designed to help make you feel a little better if you've been feeling sick. Give you a little bit more of a kick and punch to the gut when you need it. And it should taste really good, I think.
Yeah.
Still get used to a new can opener. It opens on the top, not the sides. And this is going to be a chickpea meal. So I'm sorry, but I thought this was already done, but Amy didn't do it. So,
Oops.
yeah, oops is right. Don't do it again. All right, so we're gonna take chickpeas, and I'm gonna
Drain them.
drain them because I don't want to eat that liquid. So I'm gonna drain them, then I'm just gonna give them a quick rinse, and we're gonna just leave them there for now. It's not a big deal. All right, so I'm gonna take my pan here, and I'm gonna load it with a bunch of oil. So this is going to be a really good meal, and it should taste really good. So I'm going to get my wooden spoon out here, and it has more than one use for it. Amy gets excited when she hears that. So I'm going to take some carrots. I haven't really thought of a name for this. By the end of the video, we'll have a name. Now I've got 3 cloves of garlic. They are chopped up. We're not going to put them on quite yet. I've got 3 stalks of celery. And Amy's got a whole lot of dishes to do later.
Yeah.
She loves doing dishes. I've got 1 large white onion. And 2 sweet peppers. Now while we're starting to cook this up here, we're going to take a few minutes to start cooking this. We don't have to wait too long on this, we really don't. Because it's going to cook in the process anyway, so it's not that big of a deal.
Yeah.
Just want to give it a minute or two to start cooking before we throw the garlic in. But you do want to make sure you mixing everything. And use the biggest thing you have. If you have a wok, that works just as well as this. I just like this because it's on the side here. We're using 2 different sauces. This is a tomato marinara sauce. Then we're also using some can of crushed tomatoes. Now, with that said, you can definitely go out and use whole tomatoes. You can use other forms of them and put them to the blender. Hey, buddy. So hi to Choco, everyone.
There he is.
Choco, and then there's Sally. They've been sleeping all day, so now they're getting up and they're missing us.
They smell food.
Yes, they do. So I'm just going to put a little bit of salt on that again. Hey, buddy, how you doing? Oh, he asked for the lovin's. Hi, Sally. We're in the middle of cooking right now, guys. This is all vegetables, so I don't think you're going to like this at all. I don't think kitty cats like vegetables too much.
Oh!
Come on, buddy. We're cooking. Choco really likes to be involved. And if you look at him, he looks like our old cat.
He does.
Stanley. And funny enough, he's exactly like him.
Yeah.
He's a little bit more vocal. Alright, so got that in here. Now I'm going to put the garlic And then I'm going to put the chickpeas in. Buddy, we're cooking right now. Hey there. He's not going to leave us alone until he gets a little attention. Say hi to Choco. Say hi, everyone. This is Choco. He's a great cat. He's very lovable. He likes getting his attention. He likes making sure he gets it when he wants it.
Yeah.
He thinks we're cooking something he's going to like, but he's not going to like this too much. Let me tell you, buddy. Maybe tomorrow we'll cook something you might like. Alright, now, that's where we're...
Pepper. Always.
Always gonna have pepper. This is a great vegetarian dish. And chickpeas offer a lot of proteins. They're great for your diabetes. I was watching a video from an Italian today, and I don't know if I want to steal his recipe because there's a lot of things about it I don't like. He made a chickpea sauce, which looks like it might have been really cool, but it's just not for me though. Alright, now for the spice. Now this is Cajun mix, and I'm going to put about a tablespoon or two of everything that I'm showing you here today. We're going to put some ground cumin. Not what you're thinking, Amy. Put half a teaspoon of allspice. Then some ground turmeric, and that's definitely going to be about 2 tablespoons. If you suffer from diabetes, arthritis, this could be a really great thing to have. And I would always keep this in stock, and I would always make sure you have that. Then a tablespoon of ground mustard. And I'm going to put a little bit more salt in. Unfortunately, this tastes better with it. Some chili powder. This is a really super easy dish. I'm going to put some cardamom. If you don't have it, it's not a big deal. If you don't have it, you don't have it. Not a big deal. And then a little bit of oregano. If you like garlic a lot, I only used, oh, that was basil, sorry. And now oregano. And that's about 2 tablespoons. More than I wanted to do, but that's all right.
Yeah, that was.
But that's fine. Alright, now, you really need to take your time here and mix, because if you don't, it's going to taste really, really horrible. Now we have our noodles here. You can use whatever type of noodles you want. I have mine pre-cooked. But you want to make sure they got everything mixed, because we just dumped a lot of spice in here. And if you think that you're going to be smart and just pop it and cover and you're good, you're not, because someone's going to get a big mouthful of a spice and it ain't going to taste good.
It won't be good at all.
I'm going to turn the volume down to about 3.
The temperature?
Yeah, or the temperature, sorry. I think music quite a bit. I'm very much an audiophile, sorry. What I'd like to do is get this all in here, but may not happen.
I don't think it will. But it might.
This is a completely vegan dish. We're limited to what we have. And yeah, we could have gone to the store and buy something, but I kind of like showing you how to cook things with what you have.
And this is what we had.
This is what we had. And this is being real instead of being one of these shows that will sit there and, you know, this is what we have, and they have all these expensive mushrooms and all these expensive brand name things. Like, yeah. There's sometimes, like, by making lasagna, it's not what we have in the house. Because, quite honestly, I don't always stock that stuff.
No.
So, you know, I have to go and buy that. Because it's a specific dish that I want. I think I got all the noodles out there, and guess who was wrong?
You fed all of them.
Yeah, unbelievable, but I did. Now, mixing them the way that I'd want to, now that's a whole nother ballgame.
But you got them all in.
Yep, got them all in, so... So what do you think about this, Amy?
Looks really good.
One thing about chickpeas that are going to make it really, really good is you can sit there and you can eat a little bit of this and it will kill you. Chickpeas, it's something, if you're diabetic, you need to eat this a lot. It's going to bring your A1C down automatically. If you eat this maybe 1 to 2 times a week, maybe not this dish.
But just chickpeas.
Anything with chickpeas, doesn't matter what it is. I can guarantee you, if you start eating chickpeas at least 1 to 2 times a week, next time you get your A1C done, your doctor is going to be really proud of you. It's like, how did you do it? I brought my A1C down so fast it wasn't even funny.
Yeah.
It's good. All right, so I'm gonna sit here and leave this simmer for about 5 minutes. So 5 minutes, we're gonna come back and we'll see where we are. Welcome back. So we're done. So I'm gonna take this off the heat here because we just don't need it on the heat anymore. Get this out of my way.
That looks really good.
It does. So what's left to do?
Plate it.
Plate it.
Or bowl it.
Excuse me. Amy made me burp. I mean, this didn't seem like it was that hard, did it?
No. It was easy. I mean, the noodles only took 3 minutes.
I don't want to focus too much on the noodles because this is the noodle, and I'm not even going to tell you what we're using.
True.
Though you can probably figure it out if you really want to. That's not a big deal.
Yeah.
You can figure out what we're using. Don't matter. It's perfectly fine, right? The noodles is not the focus here.
It's actual dish.
Use the noodles, whatever noodles, cook them how they're supposed to be cooked. These are our noodles. There's just one thing left.
Cheese.
Just gonna sprinkle a little bit of cheese on top of it. Then you're just gonna take a fork and you're gonna mix it all together. I'm putting a little bit more cheese than I probably should, but Amy put way too much on here.
Oops.
But that's just Amy for you. How's this look, Amy?
Excellent.
So just for this, I'm going to make Amy use chopsticks to eat tonight.
No.
What do you think we should call this, Amy?
Chickpea creation.
We'll come up with a name. This is going to be a chickpea...
Chickpea noodle.
A chickpea noodle salad.
Okay, that sounds good.
All right, so please hit the like, share, subscribe button. Please go to www.poulskitchen.com. Check it out. We appreciate it. Have a great night, guys.